Welcome to MCIS Academy. Whether you manage user portfolios for a school, adult education program, Job Service Montana office, or a library, you've got a lot of portfolios to deal with. When you need to run a report, assign a checklist, or send a group message, you don't have time to scroll through hundreds of portfolios to search for individual user accounts, and you don't have to. The ability to assign portfolios to custom groups helps site administrators and staff to easily and efficiently manage user accounts. Individual portfolios may belong to more than one group. Log into your staff or admin account. Hover over the Portfolios and Groups tab and click Add a new group. Enter a name for the group and click Add. The Edit Group Membership screen will appear, allowing you to begin adding members. Before creating a group, it is a good idea to look at your site's groups to make sure there isn't an existing group that serves the same purpose as the one you want to create. Here's how. While logged in as a staff or administrator, hover over Portfolios and Groups and click Edit or Delete a Group. A complete list of groups for your site will be displayed, allowing you to check for similar groups. If you have just created a group, the Edit Group Membership page should be open. If not, you can get there by hovering over Portfolios and Groups and clicking View or Edit Group Membership. Select the group you want to add portfolios to from the Group Name dropdown. Click Add Accounts to Group. A Search Options screen will appear. Choose whether to search for portfolios by last name or graduation year, or whether to display all user accounts on your site. Click Generate List of Portfolios. Check the boxes beside the names of the portfolios you want to include, then click Add to Group. To remove a member from the group, check the box beside their name, then click Remove from Group. You can also assign portfolios to groups at the time you first create their portfolios. However, you must create the group before attempting to upload for this method to work. To create user portfolios, you need to enter the user's information into the Portfolio Upload template, which is an Excel spreadsheet you will upload into MCIS. For complete instructions on how to create user portfolios, including where to find the upload template, please see our MCIS Academy video, Creating User Portfolios in MCIS. While you are entering information for each user, you will notice columns named Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. In the Group 1 column, simply type the name of the group you want the user's portfolio assigned to. To assign the portfolio to additional groups, use the Group 2 and Group 3 columns as well. Make sure the group names are typed exactly as they appear in MCIS, or the upload will fail. Please note that the group names are case sensitive. Now just save your completed spreadsheet and it is ready to upload to MCIS.